Your credit score isn't just a number. It decides where you live, what you drive, how much you pay, and sometimes who trusts you. And the worst part, most people destroy their credit without even realizing it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to improve your credit score step by step even if it's bad right now. No hype. No scams. No shortcuts that ruin you later. If you've ever been denied a loan, paid insane interest, or felt embarrassed because your credit wasn't good enough, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand what actually controls your credit score, the mistakes silently destroying it, and a simple system to rebuild it starting today. Let's start with the truth most people don't want to hear. Your credit score is not about how much money you have. It's about how trustworthy you are with borrowed money. Did you pay back on time? Did you borrow too much? Did you disappear when bills were due? Think of your credit score like a reputation. It's built slowly and destroyed very fast. Payment history, credit usage, credit age, credit mix, new credit inquiries. Missed payments. Score drops. Max out cards. Score drops. Apply everywhere. Score drops. Now let's talk about the biggest credit killers. 1. Late payments. This is the number one killer. Even one late payment can haunt your score for years. 30 days late, 60 days late, 90 days late. The system doesn't care about excuses, only patterns. 2. High credit utilization. Just because you can use your full limit doesn't mean you should. If your card limit is $1,000 and you're using $900, that screams risk. Use under 30%. Under 10% is even better. 3. Too many applications. Every time you apply for credit, it leaves a footprint. Too many footprints. It looks like desperation. 4. Closing old accounts. This one shocks people. Old accounts help your score even if you don't use them. 5. Ignoring errors. Yes, credit reports have mistakes, and if you don't check, you pay for errors that aren't even yours. Step 1. Know your numbers. The deep dive. You can't fix what you don't measure. Get your free credit reports from annualcreditreport.com. Scrutinize every line item. Check for accounts you don't recognize, incorrect late payments, or wrong balances. Create a spreadsheet listing every debt, the amount, interest rate, and due date. This isn't about shame, it's about clarity. Step 2. Never miss a payment again. Fortress method. Payment history is 35% of your score. First, automate everything. Set up automatic payments for at least the minimum amount. Second, create a bill pay calendar with reminders. Third, if money is tight, always pay the minimum. A late payment is a black mark for 7 years. Step 3. Crush credit card balances. The avalanche method. High utilization is a credit killer. Identify the card with the highest interest rate. Pay the minimum on all other cards and throw every extra dollar at that one once it's paid off. Roll that payment over to the next highest rate card. Do not close the card once it's paid off. It hurts your utilization. Step 4. Increase your credit limits the smart way. This is a cheat code to lower your utilization. If you have a $1,000 balance on a $2,000 limit card, 50% utilization, and your limit is increased to $4,000, your utilization instantly drops to 25%. The golden rule. This is not an invitation to spend more. Step 5. Build new credit if you have none. No credit is not good credit. 1. Get a secured credit card. You provide a deposit that becomes your credit limit. 2. Get a credit builder loan. You make payments into a locked account, building a payment history. 3. Become an authorized user on a trusted person's card with a warning. Their mistakes will hurt you too. Step 6. Dispute errors like a pro. 1 in 5 consumers has an error on their report. Dispute any mistakes you find online with Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. State the facts clearly and provide proof. They have 30 days to investigate if the creditor can't. Verify it. The negative item must be removed. Myth number 1. Debit cards are safer and better than credit cards. Wrong. Debit cards build zero credit history. Using a credit card responsibly for small purchases and paying it off in full is how you build a financial reputation. Myth number 2. Having no debt means I have good credit. No credit is not good credit. It's a blank slate, which lenders see as a risk. You need to prove you can handle debt before you need it. Myth number 3. Buy now, pay later BNPL services don't affect my credit. This is a minefield. If you miss a payment, even a small one, they can report it as a delinquency and it will hurt your score. Treat them like any other loan. Myth number 4. My student loans don't count until I start paying them. False. Your student loans are on your credit report from day one. They help with your credit mix and age. But a missed payment is just as damaging as any other. Let's kill the biggest lie. There is nitrogen monoxide overnight credit fix. You'll see small improvements in 30 to 60 days, noticeable changes in 3 to 6 months, and a major transformation after a year of consistency. Credit rewards consistency, not panic. People with good credit don't chase approval, they build discipline. They treat credit like fire, useful, but dangerous. Your goal is not debt, your goal is leverage with control. Your credit score doesn't define your worth, but it does define your options the moment you start managing it intentionally. Everything changes. If this video helped you, like it tells the algorithm this matters. Subscribe for more real money education, no fluff, and comment below, what's the biggest credit mistake you've made? Fixing your credit isn't about the past, it's about who you're becoming.